Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this brand new Audi Q8 3-litre TDI V6 50 in Black Edition specification with the Tiptronic gearbox. This vehicle is presented to you today in Mythos Black and is part of Audi's new car scheme, which allows this vehicle to have a 3 years warranty, and it's also available with flexible finance packages. For a test drive or to get a finance quote, please contact us today on 01785 899 417. Now, looking at the front of this Q8, we've got these wonderful matrix LED headlights, which are really bright and make that nighttime driving very easy. We've also got, under the Audi rings, the front camera, which is part of this car's comfort and sound package, which is quite an expensive option on this vehicle. And you can also see there the black grille surrounds really complement this Mythos Black paintwork and make this car stand out and look extra sporty. Now, looking down at one of this car's key standout features, its alloy wheels. These are an optional 22-inch 5V spoke star design Audi Sport wheels, and these really complement this Mythos Black paintwork and make this car look really sporty. You can also see there the silver outlines there, which complements the Audi rings on the front and back of the vehicle. Now, standing back from the Q8, you can see its sporty roofline, whilst this vehicle also remains very practical. You can also see there that privacy glass gives this vehicle a real special look. And you can see there as well the front and rear S-line bumpers, as well as the S-line side skirts, which are part of the package, as Black Edition is based on S-line. Now, looking inside the back of this vehicle here, we do have 3 reclinable seats, which do also fold 40-20-40, and we do also have here a centre armrest with cup holders that does fold away, and we've got mood lighting there above that rear door handle to get it out, and then passengers in the back are treated to a plethora of options for their different temperature settings. So this vehicle does come with 4-zone climate control, and we do also have 2 12-volt sockets in the back. And you can also see the nets on the back of the front seats, perfect for that extra bit of storage. Now, if we go to the rear 3/4 of this Q8, you can see those LED rear lights, which really stand out and make sure that you are illuminated at all times. And you've also got the dynamic rear indicators, which scroll from one side to the other and look really smart. And it's something, a little party trick to show your friends. You can also see there on the lower bumper, you can see those black surrounds. And then if we open the boot here, there are 3 ways to do so. And obviously this is a powered tailgate. You can do so on the key, you can do so in the car, and you can also do so using the button under the Audi rings. And if you saw at the start of that boot opening there, the load cover there is also power retractable, which is only available as part of the comfort and sound pack. And here we can also adjust the height of the suspension of the car at the back, as this is fitted with air suspension, which makes it easier for, say, dogs to get in or easier to load larger items. And speaking of which, this vehicle is very large in the back, and you can fit golf clubs or suitcases in the back for that weekend away. Now, if we stand back from the Q8 here, you can once again see that stunning profile of this vehicle. And you can also see how those gloss black window surrounds perfectly complement the rest of the black detailing on this vehicle. Now, coming down to the side of the car there, this vehicle does also come with keyless entry, which is part of the comfort and sound pack, and all you have to do is pull on the door handle when you've got the key in your pocket and the door will unlock for you. Now, looking around here, you can see that stunning gloss black trim, which is also complemented by a lovely wood trim as well. You can also see the S embossing on this stunning Valcona leather. And these seats are really supportive if you want to push your Q8 through the corners, and they're also really comfortable for those longer drives. And this vehicle does also come with electric front seats, which do also have fully electric lumbar support, which is also perfect for those longer drives. And this vehicle, as part of the comfort and sound pack, does also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is great for those music lovers out there who want an extra special sound system to play their favourite songs. So that completes our initial 360-degree walk round of this brand new Audi Q8. If you want any more information, you'd like to book a test drive, or you'd like to get a finance quote, please don't hesitate to contact us now on 01785 899 417, where a member of our lovely sales team will be on hand to offer any advice or assistance you may need. For the next part of this video, we're going to have a look more in depth at the interior. So, as you'd expect, all windows are fully electric. We do also have power door locks for the rear. You've also got there your heated mirrors, as well as fully folding and electric mirrors. We've also got, as you'd expect, automatic lights on this vehicle, which mean that all you have to do is get in and everything's set up for you. And the front seat does also have a memory function and with easy access. So all you have to do is when you get in, the seat moves back. As soon as you start the car, it goes into the correct position. We've also got this lovely 3-spoke flat-bottomed multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel. Now looking here, we've got Audi's famous virtual cockpit, and you can just flick through different settings here. So you can have a look at your driving assist, you can have a look at your plethora of radio stations, you can have a look at the telephone function, and you can also have a look at your navigation. And if you want, you can have those dials slightly larger, or if you'd like to look at the map screen, that's no issue either. And so for the controls for that are on the left of the steering wheel, so you just use that top button there to flick through left and right. View changes the size of the dials, and then the scroll, you can zoom in and out of the map or go up and down your radio stations. Now on this right hand side of the steering wheel, you can have a look at your volume controls there. Just push it into mute it, scroll it up and down for different volumes. We've also got our voice control and telephone commands. Now looking down at the cruise control here, this makes the car suitably easy to drive on a very long drive, and it also means that it takes the effort out of driving this Q8. Now here we do also have a large centre touchscreen with haptic feedback, so you definitely know that you've pressed the button you wanted. We've also got a list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations for anything you may want to listen to. We've also got obviously media and telephone on this vehicle, and you can also have a look at your navigation and get it to match your virtual cockpit. And this vehicle does come with Audi's famous Drive Select, which means that depending on how you're feeling, you can set up your Audi Q8 to respond in the best possible way. So if you want to push it around the corners, it's no issue. And if you want it just to chill out a bit, you can just put it in comfort or efficiency mode. We've also got the electronic air suspension on this vehicle. Now this car, as part of the comfort and sound pack, does come with 360-degree view cameras, which means that, as I'm doing now, you can have a look at a 3D version of the car in relation to where it is. And you can also have a look at different camera views so you don't scratch those wonderful alloy wheels. It also means that you can pull exactly in a parking space and show off to your friends about how great you are at parking. Now, if we have a look down here, we've got our climate control, which, as I say, is part of the 4-zone climate control system in this vehicle. And there you can obviously adjust your fan speed, you can put it in auto, let the car do the work. And we've also got front heated seats in this vehicle. Great for those chilly winter mornings. Now if we have a look down here, we've also got our volume controls for the radio. We've got our shortcut for the camera buttons. And we also have the park assist button. Now this vehicle is fitted with a Tiptronic automatic gearbox, which is very efficient on fuel and also very sporty. So if you want to push your Q8 a little bit, it'll deal with it no problem. We've also there got our electric parking brake and the auto hold, which is available on this vehicle for those traffic jams. Now in this little compartment here, which opens in a really nice way, we've got our 2 cup holders there. We've got a space for our key in the middle, and then we've also got a 12-volt socket, which means that you can plug anything in there. And under this armrest here, we've got 2 USB-C connectors, and we've also got plenty of storage. So if you want to keep your wallet out of view or your keys, just put them under there, no problem. And this armrest, as you can see, is also sliding. So that completes our 360-degree tour and interior look at this brand new Audi Q8 Black Edition. Now, as I say, this car does qualify for our Audi new car scheme, which includes 3 years warranty, and it is also available with flexible finance packages. For a quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01785 899 417. We look forward to welcoming you soon to Stafford Audi. Thank you for watching.